Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can change the display refresh rate on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the display limit frame rate is only available from 13 Pro to the latest iPhone. So currently my iPhone is 12, so I don't have that feature. In order to simply enable this feature, what you're going to do is simply open your settings, and on your settings now you have to scroll down, and here you can see accessibility option, tap on it. And after doing that, here you can see motion, tap on motion. And after tapping on motion, here you can see under the prefer non-blinking cruiser, there will be the option of display refresh rate. Here you'll have to simply tap on the toggle button in order to enable it, and like that you'll simply be able to change the display refresh rate on your iPhone. Currently here you can see my phone does not have that option because it is a older model. So in your latest model there will be the option, so simply just tap on it and change it like that. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.